Hello guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that this is the first ever Canadian EAS scenario I've ever made for this video, or should I say, for this channel. And now, this may include a song from something you remember, I'll give a credit to that, but if I don't, if my lazy self does not credit it, I might get copyrighted again. Just like how I did with the Moon Wakes Up But I Voice It series. I heavily regret making that series. But anyways, enjoy watching. Before this video ends, I just want to say that I didn't talk much in the ending of the Proxima Centaurian Sun collision. I didn't want to start back because you know why. So anyways, before this video ends, I just want to say that why did you make this a Canadian EAS scenario? We're not Canadian. The reason why I made this scenario Canadian is because I wanted to make a scenario that was Canadian. I wanted videos to be from the world. Yeah, like Oat Lake. Oat Lake makes British EAS scenarios for a living. Yep, he makes British EAS scenarios for a living just because he is British. And I'm not Canadian, I'm American. Anyways, if you're a Canadian, if you are a viewer from Canada, make sure to like this video so I know you're from Canada. Anyways, bye.